City, man. We're here.
We'll take Bodie's Big Dogs. Running against Chris Dumblau out of San Jose in the 92 Civic on the O'Reilly side of the racetrack. Dumblau was your number 12 qualifier yesterday at 11:86. Bo, your number 17 qualifier. And Dumblau, pairings, please. Bodie's Big Dogs to the back of staging for your pairings at this time, please. And we'll give you a competition down in the air. Have 1050 and 950 in the staging lanes.
Got it.
Our 1250 index is Robbie Angeles posted a 1290 at 121. That puts the Bo on Street Power 1250 index. We'll be moving into Street Power 1150 index. So we're going to look extremely similar to what you just saw, except the performance is going to be turned up by a second. Street Power 1150 Index Pro Tree starts. 0 seconds is your winner. First pair is going to be Efrain Ramirez out of Greenfield in the Civic on the Denso side of the racetrack. Your number 22 qualifier, and Nick Carter out of Tacoma, Washington on the O'Reilly side of the racetrack was your number 7 qualifier at 11:71. Carter with the advantage 3/4 of the way down the track. And will take the win, 12:42 at 89 miles per hour. So we move into our next pair, Dana Prum and Anthony Tenario. Prum out of San Jose in the Civic on the O'Reilly side of the racetrack. Tenario out of San Jose on the Denso side of the racetrack in the 93 Civic sedan. We'll take Bodie's Big Dogs to the back of staging for your pairings, please. Bodie's Big Dogs.
After the weekend, 11:76, 113 miles an hour. Richie Davis Jr. will be driving up against this side of the racetrack. At 11:63, 94% of total last.
And you know these guys aren't gonna fucking cheap out on some shit. Oh no.
Dude, you should have seen the blue Mustang. That thing was...
for your first ride along?
I'm ready.
So I'm gonna leave this recording. It's got plenty of battery and plenty of memory. Just hold on to it and face it forward.
Got it.
Okay, cool.
Thank you for letting me
Dude, you're welcome. Anytime.
What do you want me to do with this helmet?
I'll hold on to it.
Okay.
Put your other leg in there. And there's your seatbelt. Left over. Put those two together. Alright, perfect. Here you go. Hold that and face it forward.
Cool.
Alright, you're recording. Good to go. Have fun out there. Take
Thank
care
you.
of him, Calvin.
I try. You have a beautiful car. I try.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. That was awesome. Dude, that was cool.
Hold up.
Okay, take that off.
Let me know.
Are we all using the same picture?
You can if you like. I gotta see your face when you take it off.
That was sick. That was dope.
Had a good time.
Thank you.
I love you, man.
Love you too.
Glad you got to come out here, man.
Yeah.
I spun out. Are you okay there, Don? No, looks like you're good.
you. I'll meet you down there. Well, that was fun.
That was fucking great, man.
Got a 3-car tandem with Matthew. How'd that feel?
Fucking nuts.
Yeah, the entry was a little sketchy. I had a clutch thing in the middle.
You have some really great control. Like, there's definitely a few moments where I would have definitely crashed into somebody. If I was driving, for sure.
Different level, right?
Different level, definitely.
And another thing is driving with the pro driver, it's really gonna help.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Or just generally just drive with better drivers. I mean, not that you jump right into driving those people, but I learned so much that is incredible this weekend driving with just them. I was struggling with this tires, but it's actually I have to commit a lot earlier, so you can see me like initiate like way early. Especially I'm number 3.
Is it because you're trying to get the tires spinning like faster?
I want to get myself into position earlier, so I can get into the pocket. 3 cars come out. Ideally, I want to initiate the same time what they do, and transition the same time they do. We almost did that. It was so close.
Which, the E30?
Yeah.
The BMW, yeah. That was,
After e-brake a little, I almost tapped into him.
that was spicy there.
But this thing is hella reliable.
This thing's a fucking great car, man.
So many ride-alongs that I did.
This thing's a beast. Like I said, good driving out there, man. That was
Glad
fantastic.
that it worked out with Mr. Matthew there.
Oh yeah, that was fantastic.
Semi-final of 5:30 is going to be Casey Van Tol.
No.
Realistically, Camaros on the road side. First to the finish line, no quicker than 5.307. 8 players for Johnson Flores, who are needed in the back of the lanes at this time, please. And Johnson Flores in the back of the staging lanes at this time, please.
No!
Waiting for my eye to kick in. Rob a nigga flat, she say back.
I just need to find the rod. I don't know. Maybe I'll have to order one of those. Yeah. Oh well. Yeah.
It's okay. It happens.
Yeah. Could have been worse.
Yeah.
Honestly, not so bad. No worries. Thank you, man.